Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about clauses of reason. When we want to explain the reason, why something happened or why someone did something, we use a clause of reason, introduced by a conjunction as, since, because, or a noun phrase, introduced by because of or due to. Let's look at because. We use because before a clause, subject plus verb. It can be used at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. At the end is more common. A comma is used when the clause of reason is at the beginning of the sentence. For example, we didn't go because it was raining heavily. Because the event was cancelled, they lost their deposits. We use as and since in a very similar way to because. They are followed by subject plus verb and can be used at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. However, as and since are more formal expressions and more common in written than in spoken English. For example, the government urged people to stay indoors since more rain is forecast for the entire weekend. Or, as more rain is forecast for the entire weekend. As the roads were blocked, the victims had to be rescued by helicopter. Or, since the roads were blocked, the victims had to be rescued by helicopter. Because of. We use because of before a noun. For example, the concert was postponed because of the heavy rain. Our departure was delayed because of bad weather. Classes have been cancelled today because of a staff meeting. Due to means because of, although it is more formal. We also use due to before a noun. For example, the event was cancelled due to lack of interest. I couldn't enjoy the meal due to their constant arguing. A lot of her unhappiness is due to boredom. This is how we explain a reason. Hope this information was useful for you. Subscribe to my channel. Enjoy my videos. See you next time. Bye!